Well, the GST Council which is scheduled to meet next week, will take up a host of issues. Sources tell us that a potential relief is in store for Infosys and tech giants like Amazon, Google and Meta. Timsy Jaipuria gets us a sneak peek on what we could expect. Timsy.
Well, as you rightly said, the upcoming GST Council meeting, which is slated to meet on September 9th. Now, amongst the top expectations is provisions to give relief to Infosys. Remember, Infosys is contesting a pre-show cause notice sent by DGGI worth 30,000 crore rupees. They were initially sent a notice worth 32,000 crore rupees, out of which 2,000 crore rupees has been waived for the first year, as per the clarifications the company gave to DGGI. Also, there's likely to be a relief through provisions for data hosting players such as Amazon, Google, Meta, etc. Sources say that there could be clarity in form of circulars on what is considered as a software cloud computing, clarity expected in terms of treatment of place of supply, what should be treated as export of services, the GST rate treatment when recipient is abroad, and much more. Apart from that, also the council is likely to give relief to FMCG sector. Remember, FMCG sector has been contesting DGGI claims on what should be the rate on snacks made via extrusion and other snacks and namkeen such as bhujia, etc. Currently, the rate on snacks that are being sold via extrusion process, 18% GST is levied, and the council-nominated fitment committee says that in the future, that is prospectively, there could be a parity on namkeens and extrusion-based snacks at 12%, but for the past claims, 18% is what is going to stand. Also, the council is likely to discuss and deliberate upon the proposal to have parity of GST rate on car seats and two-wheeler seats. Currently, car seats are classified at 18% and two-wheeler seats are classified at 28%, and thus Fitment Committee says that there is a need for parity. Thus, prospectively, the panel suggested a 28% GST, both whether it is a car seat or a two-wheeler seat. Apart from that, council is also likely to discuss upon the compensation cess, the current status of the cess, where are we in terms of the cess, the payouts that have been made so far. Discussions on the status report is what was expected. We have heard from various quarters, and this is likely to come up on September 9th. Collections of the compensation cess are likely to continue even after FY25, as per the maths that has been suggested by the GST Council Secretariat, and they say that about 1.37 lakh crore rupees is the arrears, which will remain even after FY25, and thus the collections need to continue through FY26 as well. Back to you.
Right, Timsy, thanks so much for that. So clearly a lot on the plate ahead of that September 9th meeting of the GST Council. With that, it's time now for slipping into a very short break. But coming up, Apeksha Jain, the founder of the startup Gourmet Cha, says that Bajaj Finserv refused to provide an overdraft limit due to the lack of any male directors in the company. Details when we come back.